Boys, this is it. Last one. Giveaway video linked up here and in the description below. Win some recovery gear, win a swag pack, win some lights. Check out the video after this one. All you gotta do is comment and like that video and be subscribed to my channel. Next, while that giveaway is going on, 20% off my entire website, mechanicaladventures.com. I have a new pre-order going with a bunch of cool designs and colors and yada yada. Check that out. This is the last time. I guarantee you next video it's not going to be open. So if you want 20% off, go get it right now. And if you want to be entered in that giveaway, go do it right now because I'm very close to closing it. So I got about 100 subscribers left to go. So do it now. Forever hold your peace. Also, I just posted both of my rigs for sale, so if you're interested in either Krusty Crawler or the Clamped Out Forerunner, check out my Instagram, Mechanical Adventures. I got them both for sale right now. Big things coming, and I'm hoping to use this to kind of fund that transition, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it, so go buy my shit. That's all I got. Here's the video.
Alright boys, we're out here day 2, Johnson Valley. We're headed out to Sun Bonnet. It's way out back behind all the mountains. We got a good group. Should be a decently long trail. So that's the plan at the moment. Crew behind us, I don't know if you can see, but we got Carter back there, we got Timberline Off-Road and some other guy, and then we got High Sierra 4x4 right here. So we're gonna go hit some trails, drive over some rocks, hopefully not break anything, but
Idiot.
I'll see you boys out there.
three main ways people turn the steering wheel. 1, hand over hand. 2, the method which I call milking the cow. And 3, the method I call wiping the dishes.
Status update. I broke a rear axle shaft. We're getting winched out. Hold on. Back up. Where you are? Now turn driver. Turn driver. Well, boys, I thought I'd check in with you. We're about 200 yards up trail name here. Crowbar or something. Crowbar? I don't know. Broken left rear axle shaft. I'm fucking lame dogging it all the way up here, but my truck is light enough that as long as I don't get too crazy, I should be just fine. Plus, we got plenty of support vehicles. We got the boys out in front taking the hard lines. I'm following where I can, but we got a good group out here. It's a good time. I don't know where we're going here. But luckily I did bring an extra axle shaft, so we'll change it tonight back at the cabin. We'll be in business for the rest of the week. But that just means no more dumb stuff, because that was the only one I brought. Unfortunately, I have another one back at home, but I only brought one. So, buddy, these boys getting after it. want to stay driver, try climbing the hill. Yeah, I think that's your best bet. Yeah, now go. Yep. Little bump, little bump. Ow. Hey, that's it. You're hitting your leaf spring against the rock. Yeah, your leaf spring is just jammed into a rock. There you go. Almost. There it is. Go. Keep going back. Yep. Stop. Now come driver. Come driver. One more time. Is that a shaft? Well, that's something. Might as well turn around now. Let the ring take it. This is what's not supposed to happen. Or this. I bet you it's broken right at the very outermost part. Carter said this wheel was wobbling yesterday as I was driving through the desert, so we shall see. Only 5 going back on. 2 brakes, 5 lugs. Something. I'm curious about where this thing broke.
Dual bleeders, brother.
Brake bleeder in place of the brake line.
Put the start in there, though. This is the opposite type of fitting. How did it work last time?
It just was a couple threads.
That's what we're getting this time. It's like the opposite type of fitting, though.
Yeah, right.
That's
it.
That's not good at all.
That's all I've been having.
Jeez.
Get right in here, bud. Oh, yep.
Oh, brother, where's the rest of it?
Oh, yep. Clean break. Clean break.
That's a machine finish.
Yeah. Well, we got a magnet. Little hammer. Oh, that one's not moving. Oh, I can see light.
Oh yeah, there it is. We just need a long ass punch.
I got that, will this thing fit? I got something.
I don't want to get this mop handle greasy, but whatever.
I got it. I got something.
You do?
Yep.
Look at this bad boy here. Where's that? Hot dog.
How about that? There she is, boys, in all her glory. All right, boys, she's all buttoned up. They call me Sammy No Brakes. Catch me out on the trail. Catch me bombing down the mountain.
I didn't think so either, but
You pussies ready to hit the trail or what? Cheese got me this hat. Ready to rip.
taking care of you.
Alright boys, we just picked up new transfer case for the 4Runner. Magnum underdrive to a 205. These kind folks from Oregon, Washington brought it down for us. There you go.
Thank you.
Count it, make sure it's all there. Whew. Making shit happen now.